Almost once again, we are going to look at some challenges that students are having with organic chemistry, which will help you to do well in this forthcoming examination. And we are looking at functional groups. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Let me see this. Something like this is what? What is the name of this organic compound? You may not be able to name this organic compound if you don't know the functional, what we call the functional groups. The functional groups. So I hope that you know when we're talking about counting the number of atoms, one carbon atom is meth. 2 carbon atoms, C2 is earth, C3 is prop, and the rest of them. So if you know all these ones, then you can proceed to functional groups. And I hope you also know about the alkanes, alkenes, and the alkynes. If you don't know about them, check my previous videos, you will see these ones. So the alkanes, they are the formula CnH2n plus 2, where n can be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the alkenes CnH2n and alkynes CnH2n minus 2. So these are the hydrocarbons. They have only carbon and hydrogen with numbers like this. So if you know all these ones and benzene, then you can proceed to this one. So N represents carbon number. So if it is 1 here, like C1H, 2 times 1, 2 plus 2, 4. Methane, A. We don't have methane, but we have 18. We don't have methane, but we have ethyne. So this is the beginning. So use this one to get every other one. These ones have double bond. These ones have single bond. Look at it like this. H, single bond. But these ones will have, if we a T, double bond. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is a T, like this. So we may have to, if you want us to teach it, you can still make comment in this comment section. But what we want to talk about is these functional groups, to be precise, so that we can answer other questions on it. So now, I want you to look at this. What I'm going to do, I will not tell you the name of this at the moment. So I would like you to follow to the end so that we'll be able to learn this. Look at this. So I will start with the simplest ones, from the simplest to the complex. We have the alkanol. The alkanols, please, this is very important. Some of you know it, but you are still going to learn some things in addition to what you have already learned. So the alkanols have ROH. This is how it is represented. Where this R is CnH2n plus 1. Call it the alkyl or alkyl, as some people may pronounce it. Loss of 1 hydrogen atom from the parent alkane. Alkyl. Loss of 1. If it's alkane, it's CnH2n plus 2. So when you use this 1 hydrogen, it becomes n plus 1. So alkyl determines the physical properties, while the functional groups determine the chemical properties. Take note of this. Functional group determines the chemical properties, while the alkyl group determines the physical properties. So this R will determine the physical property. The alkyl there, or alkyl, as others may pronounce it. Alright, so let's go like this. So if you want to draw this now, ROH, like if you have ethanol, I will not do it for that ones. Ethanol, C2, so 1, 2. Okay, let me give you the molecular formula. C2H, 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. That is this formula. Then OH, this is ethanol, ROH, F, C2, F, ethanol. If it's C3, propanol, C3H, 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7OH. This one is propanol. Propanol. I hope you can see this now, so don't get confused. Propanol, ethanol, propanol. And you want to draw this just 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me draw it up so that we can always see it and get it better. So let me draw it. Here. So let me draw this propanol, C3. So 1, 2, 3, OH. Look at it like this. You put hydrogen on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Propanol. Propanol. Alright. So we can continue. Just keep following us. After this very one, I will do other ones. And you can also check my previous videos. I've actually taught this. You can also check them. But now, because of the demand, let's continue with this. So this is alkanol solved. So I will go to the next one, which is alkanoic. Alkanoic. The alkanoic, they have RCOOH. Please take note of this. I call it alcohol. RCOOH. This C is also counted. And if you want to draw it, just RCOOH. Alkanoic. Oic. All. Oic. I hope you are getting it. All. Oic. That is how it applies. All. Oic. If you look at this one, this is not all. Because all, you drew like this, OH. This is not all. This is all. So take note of this. This is not all. This is all. This is oic. So you have propanoic. Prop is 3. So 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put hydrogen atoms here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Propanoic. Propanoic. This is propanoic. If it is both, be both. Both. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanoic. Butanoic. Both is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanoic. So you can do other ones. Alright. So we'll move to the next one. I'm trying to be very fast so that we can arrive to this one. This is not oic. Now let's look at the next one. The alkanal. The alkanal. Alkanal. So alkanal is RCHO. I call it RCHO. RCHO. That is RCO like this. Alkanal. So ethanol, CCOH. This is ethanol. So this one is an alkanal because of this. See it. RCHO. CHO. You can put it down or up anywhere, but I prefer writing it like this. Alright, RCHO like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butanal. But 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanal. Butanal. So this is butanal. In our next class, we are going to continue with other ones. I would like you to share this video because Mr. Primus is out again for you and we are going to make you happy. Thank you.